is the day that I got my operation on the tonsils and my teeth are gone. I'm very, very sad. But don't be sad because my birthday's on June 29. But my true birthday is June 27. So we're celebrating it in June 29 because there's some school in June 27. I'm going to school. And then we decided to to celebrate it on June 29 because there's no school in June 29. So say happy birthday to me in the comment section down below. So make sure to like and subscribe. I'm filming this video for my birthday and my operation. Oh, I forgot to tell you about my tonsils. It was like this, like that. It looks like a thumb to me.
Kaya po, yung anak niyo, nauna pong umalis yung asawa niyo.
Oh my
sana umalis na dito langaw kasama ang asawa.
I'm gonna be dead. So I'm just gonna speak a little bit of Tagalog.
So nung umalis po yung asawa niyo, hindi kasama yung anak
pag namamagana yung tonsils ko, patay ako. Patay.
Maganda ako sa mathematics kasi
I'm grade 2 guys and I'm still with my classmates and friends.
Pero sa bahay
So
po ngayon sino
make sure
kasama
and subscribe because I'm filming this video for you guys.
Mamas boy po kayo, sir.
So bye bye guys.
Daddy's boy.
I will go to school tomorrow. Bye. Peace. Peace.
Seryoso, tanong mo kung